Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is a very different video. I am going to be showing you and talking about Lipsence and how you can layer it to make different colors. So before we get started on that, please hit the subscribe button, and please also don't forget to ring the bell before we get started. So let's jump right into it. Hey guys, you're probably wondering why my makeup is all done. Sorry if the lighting is off. I don't know why it's like that today, but yes, I am done, almost all the way done. I'm going to be showing you how to layer your Lipsence. So I am new to Lipsence. I just started using it and I love it. Like tremendously. And if you don't know what Lipsence is, it is a lip color that lasts up to 18 hours. It's waterproof, smudge proof, kiss proof for 18 hours. It's not tested on animals. It's wax free, lead free, and there's no animal products in it whatsoever. So I am learning how to layer, how to mix, like all sorts of things about Lipsence, and I am telling you, I love it. The first time I used it, like I had to practice a little bit before I did this video and the previous one on Thursday. On Thursday's video was a natural makeup look with a nude lip, and that was from Lipsence, and I used this pink champagne color, and it's just like a pink nude color. Very simple, easy, everyday look. And I didn't really explain it. Kind of. I explained it, but so in like how you apply it is you make sure that all of like your makeup or food is off. So I just took like a damp cloth and went around my lips, and then I patted it dry. So that's the first thing. So with Lipsence, it's a like two-step thing. So you apply the Lipsence in 3 layers. So in between each layer, you're going to wait about 10 to 15 seconds before it dries, and after the 3rd layer, you seal it in, and your lips cannot touch before you put the glossy gloss on. They can touch after you put the glossy gloss on. It seems like complicated, hard, and stuff, but it's not. Once you get the hang of it, like I am, like you'll get it down pat. So you want to make sure that there's no food, no makeup, because that will like break up the Lipsence, and then it won't last very long, and it'll crack, and just all sorts of things. So the first thing is you want to shake them up, and do you hear that clicking noise? There is a ball in there mixing up the color as I shake it. So and if you're opening a new one, I'm not, but if you haven't used it for a while, or you're opening it up for the first time, you want to make sure that it's shook well, and you want to shake it every time before you use it. Yeah, so I'm not going to be able to talk when I use the Lipsence because I can't, my mouth can't touch, so, or my lips can't touch. So I am going to be using Kiss MySass. I don't know if I said that. This was my very, very first one I ever got not too long ago. This one is kind of a new one. It's a pinky purple like tone. It's really pretty. It's bold bright. So, yeah. So, I'm going to shake both of them. So, I'm going to be layering them today. So, you can also mix them to apply one color. I haven't done that yet, so, yeah. So, here's my first coat. And one other thing is you want to apply it the same way you first started. So if you start down here in the middle, second layer has to be right there in the same way that you first started. Sorry, I was looking in the mirror. So I'm going to start up here. I think it's called Cupid something, I'm not sure. So this is what the pink one is. One more thing before I start. So if you have never used Lipsence and you're using it for the first time, you might feel a sting in it when you apply it to your lips. That's because it has alcohol in it, and if you have chapped lips, you want to make sure that they aren't chapped. So use like the glossy glass first, and then wipe it off. But yeah, so here I go. So pink champagne first. So I'm hiding right there, and I have to look in the mirror. Right? there you have it. So, sorry I didn't talk. Maybe I'll add some music in there when I edit it. But this is Kiss MySass with Pink Champagne with Kiss MySass. I'm glad that I layered this one because I was gonna do, and I'll probably still do this, this pop art pink. It's a really bright pink alone by itself with Pink Champagne. That is amazing, but this one is really pretty. So once you have the glossy gloss on, you can seal it in. And I used a Q-tip because I'm still learning. And one thing I forgot to mention is that once you are done, like the first layer won't be perfect or could not be perfect unless you're like a perfection at this. But you can go back in and like touch up, like you saw what I did in the previous slides and this slide or whatever. But one thing, I don't know if I'm gonna leave it like this, but once you have the glossy gloss in and it's sealed in, you can pat it. Oh yeah, you can pat it. But one thing I totally messed up was, you want to know if it's real? Nothing. I'm gonna take nothing. Don't you want a lipstick that does that? I know I would, like tremendously. So now let's move on. So once you blot the glossy gloss off, or some tissue, you can put a Bella matte gloss over it, hazel. You can put any gloss over it that you want to make it brighter, different color if you want. So I'm going to add ShadowSense is an eyeshadow, but you can also use it for other things. So I'm going to try to use it on my lips, and you can use it on your lips. So I think I'm just gonna do a highlight right in the middle there. See how it changed? Like tremendously, so pretty. I'm going to finish up here and come back with the end result for you guys. Hey guys, so I'm back with the layering Lipsence end result, and this is how it turned out. It turned out very subtle. It's not as bright, and I know that I got carried away with the like blotting gloss and all that. I just wanted to add that because I wanted to do it, and I'll do a video on that so that you guys can see. But all in all, I really like this lip color. I like it just with the Kiss MySass and Pink Champagne. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell if you want to see all of my videos first come first served. Thanks for watching.